Hello, I wanted to show you my first computer build. My case is the Cooler Master HAFX. The panel in the front is the overclocking panel that came with my motherboard. It shows the CPU temperature, the fan speeds, and you can overclock the computer from that panel. Okay, I'll show you the inside of the computer. My motherboard is the ASUS RAMPAGE 4 Black Edition. It has the 2011 socket. My CPU is the Intel Core i7 4930K. I have the H100i from CORSAIR liquid cooler. That's the radiator up top. My memory is the CORSAIR DOMINATOR, 16 gigs of RAM. My video card is a RADEON HAFX R9 290X. My power supply is the CORSAIR HX 1050. My hard drives are Samsung 840 EVO SSD and Seagate Barracuda 3TB drive. I've been building this computer for quite some time, and now I'm getting ready to buy the monitor for it. Well, thanks for checking out my computer. Goodbye.